Hey, what up, YouTube? This is me, making a vlog go home. Okay, what up, YouTube? This is Broken Heart Labs. No Heart Top Tips, and I'm here with Bear from Dunkin' Donuts. He's ready for a walk. Ready for a walk, yeah. I just woke up. It's like 4:30 in the morning, 4:40. And I'm tired. And I'm building my second PC. So, yeah. I'm gonna build a second PC. That's gonna be fun. That's my dog's ankle. I have to set the camera down. This kind of hurts because I have my finger hurts with gout. And my dog's pulling me on that hand. Gonna have to get over here. So yeah. Full battery. 20% remaining. That's no good. So yeah. What's up, YouTube? I'm building a second PC. It's a personal video, update video, and a good video. But I'm okay and I'm good. So yeah. Check for the gout. I'm eating chicken and chicken. So what's up, YouTube? Do you like the vlog? What vlog do you watch? You ever watch that bad thing? She bad. I'm watching this new show. I'm almost done with the first season. I don't think they have a second season. I'm signing up for Amazon Prime. And the show's called Humans, about synths, which are robot human-looking people, and some of them have real consciousness, with advanced software and stuff. That's a pretty good show. So yeah. My dog already peed. We can go back now. I got pulling. Yeah, so the synths are good. Yeah. Sometimes they help out humans, but then there's this one girl that she can murder people because she was forced into a brothel. And then there's one where she was like working as a replacement for a wife, but the wife was still there. And then the dad was bad. And then there's one guy, he's the son of the creator of the robots, and he considers them like brothers and sisters and moms and stuff. So, yeah, he's part robot because he almost died and his brain was like replaced with robotic parts. Body replaced by robotic parts. That's a good show. So yeah. So yeah. My hair's growing back. Hair's growing back. And soon summer will be over and fall is coming. That's why the nights are getting colder. But the days are still a little bit warm. It's the end of summer. End of summer 2016. And then, so yeah. Amazon Prime should be cool, like free 2-day shipping. I'm getting rid of Netflix. Oh, they're increasing the price in October. And also, my family complains to me that there's nothing to watch on Netflix. My mom likes Korean dramas. And it's not enough Korean dramas or something, I don't know. We're watching Vicky. It's a, it's a, it's kind of like Netflix, but or Hulu or something, but only Asian stuff from the Asian shows and movies. And on Apple TV, you don't have to pay. You just can't. You don't have to pay subscription because there's no commercials on Apple TV for Vicky. So yeah, hopefully that lasts for a while, but I don't know how long that's gonna last. So yeah. So yeah. And that's the video. Wait, 7 minutes in. Let's go back. Hello. I'm gonna go to Starbucks after this. Well, what kind of drink do I want from Starbucks? Like coffee. I think I got enough sleep. But I'm not sure. My dad woke me up at 4:30 in the morning. I'm always waking up at 4:30 in the morning, man. It's not fun. I want to wake up at 8 or 10 or 12. 12 at noon. High noon. But no, I wake up at 4:30 in the morning. My parents all up in there making noise and they tell me to get the car and stuff like that. So yeah, that's why I'm up at 4:30 in the morning. Up. Probably. Up. Up. Eh. Up. Up. Now. Go up. Yeah. So that's the video. Oops, can't close it. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.